welcome to the Culture Convo podcast, the upcoming of greatness. Dango.
Yo, everyone, there's no but different versions, but time. Let's check and welcome back to Culture Convo podcast. And we are outside, man. We are outside. It's Culture Convo Con. It is a grand. It's a grand. And I'm here with
Sino for your message to the problematic mom. The only way so much ginger baby.
Dango. Yes.
Okay. I am Sino for your message to the problematic mom. The only lady who will get plenty of ginger baby.
Dango.
Next time. Hey everybody, it's Miss B, the sweetest and fabulous honeybee with the sweetest news. And of course, I'm the sweetest one in the
beehive, yeah.
Cohort. I'm cohort, the sweet. Yeah.
All right.
Like what hot. Let's be serious now.
Yeah. Otherwise, you're outside, and also it's a matter of us
tuning into Lando La We're gonna be outside.
We're going to be outside. Yeah,
it's different venues now. Yeah.
It's part of the changes, isn't it? I have a Culture Convo podcast.
Yeah.
It's part of the change that we are implementing, and also it's a matter of just evolving, you know.
Yeah.
And also we did post last week. For some reason, but I'm getting married. And he asked why. I do not know why, man. I do not know why.
Tommy, I think it's in your path to get married. You look like a family man, man.
No, but I feel like
Maraing. What do you know that we don't?
I guess born a family man. That's the problem.
Tom was born?
I was when I was born.
Duh, you've said it multiple times.
What?
But I feel like
I'm just caught here in between. I'm lost.
Yeah. No, I feel like it's this not but the child.
Oh,
there's a future. But anyways, we are dealing with a lot of social issues, especially about the There's an issue of amounts.
I call me bad.
I really thought my say episode last week.
Now, like what the hell?
But unfortunately, we are still in the same problem. So guys, how do you feel? How does it affect you guys?
Guys, but ukhola mizi in a toilet phakathi. Isowetho guys. Nalapha endlini ke kweminye imizi apha ko11.
Yes.
Imizi both I feel like yonke imizi ngokuya evolve inezi toilets eziphakathi. Ngase basicingele. Basiyeke siyeke toilet. Bathi sipheka ngantoni, sisela ngantoni, sivasa ngantoni.
Yes.
Exactly.
So upheka ngalamanzi etanki.
Hey, wabona amanzi etanki xa webila tata.
And naxa wagalela amanzi emapheyilini uyabona bananku umhlaba ezantsi pha emapheyilini.
Masiyeke kukho aba baliklinayo ke kwela tanki. Kukho la pilisi yoklina itanki mos. Now xa wabilisa avele abe ngathi anesepha up
abeg.
Iketile yasekhaya ide yayeka yathi liyekile. That I quit.
No, I feel like it's a very big problem because also it affects abantu in different ways. Amanzi edama.
Amdaka. Yes, amanzi edama amdaka. Because bakha uGombombo ukha ePola Park. Sikhosisa.
Allegedly. So I feel like
umisa pha lo wa green unamatanga green. Umise pha. The other day sisuke emsebenzini xa sisithi liya. And go say my main road, so of course you're gonna see ba.
Yabona mina iyangichana honestly lento engabikho ngamazi because neyazi bandla ngohlala nge-toilet and now andikwazi uyenza lonto.
Yeah.
Yabona.
It's better. I feel like and also it is very unfair for abantu base qobo according to news.
To the news.
Ukuthi bamavala amanzi that come from it dam.
Yeah.
It is very unfair. I feel like personally the law should take it and look at
its cost
now. Because look as squads you suffer because of what is happening because we as alone.
Yeah. As much as singangena indawo siyavelana nabo.
Yeah.
Ba nina
Imagine
siyaniva nina amanzi. And anizothi nina ninedama eqoboqobo. Ningabi namanzi. We get it.
Okay.
But ukulwa kwenu ngokuvala idama anibacingeli ke aba bantu
batsala ke
because now funeka siye kwi surrounding areas ezifana namadaka or
amazabalaza amanyanisweni
ntoni
akho manzi zabala
Akhona Tom.
awekho bengekho kaloku basitsalelana sonke
Yo, I beg.
awekho
Awekho
abazizabalazo
sibalazo.
search ba enthetha
Emadramini.
Amadramini, yeah.
Yeah.
yakunzima uqesha ibhaki
Ezothuthela manzi.
ezakuthuthela
Okay,
amanzi
zamanzi.
imali leyana.
Yeah.
And ogogo bethu already can't afford such basic necessities such as food. How are you going to pay for water now that is supposed to be free?
Yeah.
So ndiyacela betinana isikhalazo samanzi ngicela sister
Masivakale.
because on a funny note kukabantu abangafasiyo on a regular bangenawo kungekho
Hayi babethela ngudo ke
Babethela ngudo.
absobe abaqazi
Baphola phehloko.
Hayi,
Baphola phehloko. But
Zimbabwe.
also I would like I would really love to hear abantu bathini bona okanye
Yeah.
ezabo like struggles zithini when
Yeah.
it comes to the water
the
problem.
electricity
Yeah.
uchilo ke usinote Paulus bebengenambani last episode
Yeah.
update umbani
I
khona
think
Ubani bakhona phinda?
njalo.
so load
But-
shedding yabo as a Paulus
Yeah, but we can't really okay.
asikeke load shedding asingendawo affect thina
It's fine.
Hayi kuthiwa ngabo, kuthiwa isathu ngabo. And akhona nje ayithetha ba why.
okay
Oh, I cables and stuff.
You
That's-
get me?
sivene
But
Okay.
also no, so is ikhona nje into efike engqondweni yami.
Yeah.
Obhuti bongani izweni.
Okay.
Did so like he did a walk of active
activism something
Activism.
like that, yeah.
Okay.
for drug abuse.
Drug abuse.
So
my
he's
from here
from here to Gompo in East London.
Yeah.
Ngenyawo. How do you guys feel about
Hayi
that?
bonyani.
What was that, Bonyan?
Wow.
why is it Ibonyani?
Huh?
No, it's like
I'm
serious.
just surprised.
He actually
Nah,
did
you
the
guys,
work.
there's someone niva right or ndiniva.
Uyasiva
No, Yasiva.
Yenyawo up.
yeah,
Yeah.
a walk from
Here.
Timbaza to East
To
London.
East London.
A walk.
And even so,
And
qetha
he
likhempele.
completed
Yeah,
Ebe khona?
ebepha
Wow,
le nto.
maqed.
Uqetha likhempele.
Oh, hayi chomi yethu.
Umaqed.
Yeah.
Hayi binaye, hayi binaye, hayi uyile nyani.
So I feel like nanto njengo you know that beats
Also,
me,
ma'am.
you know. I feel like where do we guys stop?
With the drug abuse.
Within no, I feel like there are situations whereby we can't change them. For a matter of fact, you can't change the weather. You
Yeah.
can't change izinto
You
zokwenza
said you
ngomso.
have to adjust.
Yeah.
You just have to adjust. But also I feel like but also I feel like it was very brave
of him to do that.
of him to do that. And also it is time consuming for him to actually take his time to go to Gompo.
Ngenyawo.
Ngenyawo.
I feel
Like
like
uvele wahlala phansi wayicinga.
kudala
Like ebehamba yedwa
Donation.
okanye like bebe baninzi. Like bebe
I
baninzi
think
or
weke
what.
wacela
Ngibona liqedisani mina.
namanzi ninzi man weke wathi
So nguye
he
noqedisani.
did it
Wow.
last year ne la way you announced about he'll do the walk to East London okanye
Oh.
January.
Oh.
I'm not sure about uyenzeni but it's
Can't
been
be
in
born,
the
I'm not
talks.
gonna lie.
Yeah.
I can't
Yeah.
be born.
But also
mna ndinaluluvo lwam kula
Yeah.
way uba when do we stop?
yeah.
I
Stop
feel
what?
like no
Stop trying to make a change in our community.
where we can stop is when you feel fulfilled enough but okay I've done my part
Yeah.
and now you are known to be that guy who was like yo man namjita great namjita it's just like he's an activist because we say
Yeah.
drugs and stuff you don't stop doing your job but you stop pushing kakhulu because
Kakhulu.
uyabona uba there's no response
Yeah.
yabo
Change.
so iyavana kukho abantu abasakhomba mna ba yo lawe lasizwe modeling and I'm like I stopped doing that ages ago
Yeah.
yabo
Because
Doing sunglasses
it's
because they
Yeah.
yeah. It's my money that I'm wasting
Yeah.
nemali yeetshomi zam
Okay.
natural zakho. Hey.
yeetshomi zam
Yini?
zayitya imali ngenxa yam ngenxa
Yeah.
yamaphupha
Yeah.
but we saw ba in a way sizama utshintsha for some people who are not accepting of what we're
Oh
doing
yeah.
Yeah.
so sabomba
Do you know
on to the next thing
Actually, I'm not gonna lie. I lose back on Ushinjo. No matter how hard we try, we'll try, but we'll keep failing. I'm sorry for saying
also
that.
I feel like yeah.
what's up with
I'm
that
telling you the truth, Nje.
And also I feel the problem is I am a very optimistic person.
We're not doing pessimist
Yeah. On my side, I'm a very optimistic person. But also, as much as I'm optimistic, I always check good team.
reality yakho is
I-reality.
yeah reality
So
down
every time I have to check a reality check.
Yeah.
No man, okay, I'm fighting this problem,
and
but I'm fighting this problem in what kind of environment endifitha kuyo.
Okay.
Do you get like, do you get me? I can't say ukuthi I'm hosting a boys camp
Oh yeah.
for the weekend, and also if you're going bahlele bazaleni babo. And also I can't just host a boys camp through my own funds,
Oh,
and
yeah.
also just trying those few donations in account, because not everyone.
Not everyone
So
Donate,
everyone,
yeah.
Everyone is supporting.
everyone,
Online. Online.
everyone is supporting, but
Bunny.
when it comes to actually
Implementing.
implementing the support
Ah,
and
wa.
actually fake imali in what we say ukuthi we want you
Yeah.
and need a broker to do, it is very hard. Do you get me?
Yeah.
Now ndiyafika kanye. So I'm saying ukuthi I feel like you have to understand ukuthi now you have to identify the environment osebenza kuyo.
Yeah.
The minute I'm saying something, I have to know the disadvantages and advantages, the benefits, and also
Demographics.
Uyangithona?
Education ithini kule
Yeah.
ndawo uhlala kuyo.
Uyangithona?
How?
Education is a big factor, as much as khona la saying ithi isikolo sinendawo yaso.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Very important
Too
into
much.
isikolo.
Sinaso.
And njengoba nje
Sinaso.
andikhulo.
Uyayibona la ndawo.
Bona la ndingade ndingamvu animakhulu am xa sithi yazi bhiya isikolo sinendawo yaso qone. Hayi bokuthi uyamjaja la.
Ukhona la ibonileyo. Yeah.
Qone. Ndiyayibona Chomi.
Yeah. Because also abantu, the minute you are trying to change abantu that have
Already been psyched into
committed themselves to that thing, it will be very
Very
hard.
hard.
But also asita, by saying this, asilendoke we are not discouraging abantu that
Yeah.
are trying to push. Push as much as
you
as
can.
possible. But my only advice to everyone,
Always have a reality check with yourself. But am I still doing this for me?
yeah,
Okanye am I doing it for abantu? Abantu, how are they taking it?
Yeah.
London ndiyenzayo.
and also
Ungawaste imali yakho.
yeah, and also to not
Please now.
invest too much on something that you're not sure. I'm personal abantu anyaxesha labo bathanda.
Oh.
Because I feel like abantu they have showed me ukuthi, you know what, we can support you
Masifuna.
masses phone and also on networks, and also just push you, man. But
Yenza Chomi.
too many
But-
claps,
yeah.
but zero support.
Okay.
Too many claps,
Uchilo.
but zero support.
Umdu. On our comments. Shout out to Miss Asachandu.
Yes.
I saw your
Wow.
comment
Uthini?
when you said everyone wants to be a podcaster.
Yeah.
She said everyone wants to be a filmmaker and a photographer.
Okay.
But when it comes to the talent and effort, it's zero implementation.
Yeah.
And I saw your comment.
Yeah.
Ndiyayivamna. Bayeka bangayivayo.
Yeah.
I
So-
see you.
And also, unfortunately, it's iwenzekayo apha. Iwenzekayo. Otherwise, also touching on based London. Last week, we did say ukuthi we are going to eat part with
Party.
Tina.
Oh yeah.
How was the experience? I can't really say much because I was in the MC, and also from my view, it will be different from if you
Hey, well, look, we
since
work
in
out.
England. Why they got a shop?
We work at
But yes, I was at work.
We work at Chomi. I don't
I
mean.
know, I'm not. No, you. I feel like. Besides that, I feel
No.
like my mouse didn't work. It's a matter of
But
no degrading, man. You can't say I'm a worker.
Kaloku, you were working.
Yes,
You were
I
the
know,
MC,
but
that's your career. You were working.
It's
you
fine.
were a worker. there.
it's fine.
Ah,
Dinembucuke over.
No, let gam.
Dinembucuke.
Ndibonile nami issue.
Amba
leli-
Yeah, I can't. I no. Don't
Okay,
say I'm a
you're
worker. Ingathi ngingamantshingilana stuff.
Okay.
Ah.
Ilapho le.
Don't.
Did go Jake.
Don't.
Ilapho
Others,
le.
how was your Bianca? How was your experience? How was the experience?
Bekumandi, Chomi. I don't wanna lie. It was
Yeah.
fun. I was so Minister of Enjoyment himself.
Yeah.
Of course,
Yeah.
Chomi.
Yeah.
Also, I was very psyched to see uvusela ke ngoku, like literally ndandibonela kaloku wena umbonile
Yeah.
kwapapi mna. I'm used to his TikToks.
Yeah.
Yabo.
Befikile.
Hayi bo Chomi.
Kakubona lo.
Hayi kwele ntukuko eliphiliswe. Ebefikile wacula nalandla bodlaveni.
Oh, hayi, come on.
Bodlaveni yawatsanda. Oh,
Come
thank you, my
on.
Yeah,
God.
Vusela ese.
Thank you, my Chomi.
Oh my gosh.
Lutando Lotto, but it was very nice. Mr. Terra, you did your thing there.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Yeah. So
Not Mr.
speaking
Taylor, Mr.
Mr.
Terra.
Terra.
talking about Terra, I remember coming from outside.
Yeah.
Whatever we know in the pond, coming from outside.
You be like,
Manje Hey man, ndiyangena ndiqobe.
Baludlala apha.
Hey,
Baludlala.
what is happening? Okay, you know what? It's staging.
Imandi ke la nto xa
Phakathi
kuthethwa.
ndiqobe ya.
andinibone
Ngoku
sokubuyile jo
Yeah.
Mane mandibuye.
So shall to
Apha ngase
Daduma, hayi kaloku daduma.
Ayifundanga wathi tsho babithi hayi yaqonde yes. Babethi na weave benza ilahla pha phansi.
Mercy, how was your
How was your
experience
experience
with
with Tina? Danko.
Qalile nje.
Qalile. Sinto zakhe.
Qalile.
Actually, my head fan, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you had fun.
I had fun.
You had fun.
You had
I think
fun.
we saw that you had fun.
Yeah.
You had fun.
Okay, you had
I
fun.
know, I had fun, honestly.
Walibala noba uyokwenza interviews.
Omo, hey. Zicanga ngomsoba.
Azikho guys interviews.
Really?
Too much fun.
They had too much fun.
They had
Guys,
too much fun.
ndibona njani ba hey, can't phathi into yami.
Yeah.
Sino ilibala nje into yakho. Wathi fuck zibakho interviews. Like iminintsi man into besenhlokweni yami.
That is
Like
going
you know
on.
what? Ambakho nwaba man.
Yeah.
Ambakho nwaba ke.
Unwabile dad.
And yeah, I mean, also
Bakhona.
it I feel like my personally it was nah. It was nah.
Very nah, but
Too much.
ay.
Yes. Except Bafethu, don't forget to book your favorite MC, your promoter, your presenter, your performer at your event, and let's make your event a success at Jaguar Entertainment. Don't forget to like the video, don't forget to subscribe, and stay tuned for more. Dango.
Okay. So guys, mna ndifuna unibuza ke ngoku.
Okay.
I just had a debacle with someone.
Okay.
Yebo. So I was thinking, Hori, okay, am I really protecting my peace?
Okay.
Or am I just avoiding the conversation? Kubona masixoxabane mandibeke. Xabana chomi yakho, xabana no Jack.
Yeah.
Yebo. And it's like kaloku nixabana qho chomi, but it's always the petty things ba. Hayi chomi suniphoxa. Niyazazi?
Yeah, no,
Niyazazi?
it's sensitive.
Usensitive. So uyazi issue yakhe, it's sensitivity. Wena
Sensitive.
uthetha
Ngumuntu nje.
uthetha
Angithi kakubi.
awuthethi kakubi, ndizama ukuthi you a straight talker. It doesn't matter about
Hayi,
uthatha
Bomb.
njani. Yeah.
Hayi, Bomb.
Ngamagama
Usamila
amahle
wena.
ukhamisa tyhali,
Ha, ayi kodwa irongo ke lo.
but ukhamisa tyhali.
But okay.
But
And comes in
awukhamisa tyhali because
No, like when you know when umuntu yabona
into
umuntu
ayithethayo.
honest kakhulu ngumuntu ekuthanda uthiwa ukhamisa tyhala kanti amaxhosa bayana honest kakhulu axele yabona mina inyani sometimes ngiqonde hayi yanditsweba kodwa but hayi ba why sanixele inyani
Goduka.
But mna ndifaka nakum udla ngothi oh wena ucingile xa ndithetha. Ndikho am I supposed to? I'm your friend.
kaloku
As your friend, I'm supposed to give you your honest.
But like
but siba honest kakhulu man nam ndi honest kule icala but nje ba honest ngendlela right
Kuthini uba honest ngendlela right ke ngoku? What is
no,
that?
ndibeka bukolo
ayikho loo nto.
uzothi uhleli phansi
Uyayisugarcoat.
andiyisugarcoat uba ndiyayibeka ube uyiqonda okay izawufika kakuhle ku but xa uhleli wathi uqonde actually you know what
Oh, sure, I get
You
it.
get what I'm trying
I
to
get
say?
it. But I feel like xa isithi ba ngendlela right, meaning ukuthi you know what, ndiyakulungiselela Bianca. Xa umbi but Bianca, I can't say you but Bianca, I know your outfit is ugly today. You get me?
No.
I say, Bianca, ugly outfit is not it's not making
no. Mina to I can tell you by calling
Hi.
kusekwathini yathi iqonde nami hayibo
I think yes, because
Ah, come on.
I'm supposed to, like, I'm your friend.
and
And
that's,
I think in a way, since this is chomi mna nawe, you have grown to understand the way I express myself.
yeah.
Ne? That's where again I'm going ke ngoku with this thing, ne?
okay
Nithethe,
Yeah.
but when awuthethi ngalento lona acinga uba uthetha ngayo.
Mm.
And then since ninga understandani,
Yeah.
two POVs, ne?
yeah
Wonke umuntu une-perspective yakhe. uJack mina ndizayithatha uba Jack umgezele nyani
Usini,
uSino.
yeah
Nosino feels uba uJack umgezele uJack undigezele, yabo. So I'm like sixabene ne
Yeah.
sisichomi. Sometimes it comes to that point ba okay, aftermath yoxabana,
Yeah.
is it you protecting your peace ukuba distant, or is it you just being avoidant of la conversation, of saying sorry, that taking accountability type of thing? But no, ndimebe wrong, yebo.
yeah
Sometimes laa nto yothatha accountability abanye abantu abakwazi uyenza.
Yes.
So
Oh.
I move away from the situation. Kuthiwe bagqibela uthetha ngalaa mini babexabana.
abaxabana
Is that you protecting your peace, or is it avoidance?
that's avoidance
Yebo. So that's where I'm coming in kuni ba Nina, what is your
Kaloku
version of
mamela-
protecting your peace and what is avoidance? Yebo. Wenzela ndingathi mina kuba being distant.
Mamela kum.
Ndiyamyeka umuntu afreeze.
Mamela kumthomi, ne?
Yes.
Andingomntu mkhulu kwi-arguments, right? Uyayazi Bianca mna endaweni yoba mandilwe back ndithukane nayo sitshintshane ngamagama, I just cry. Ne?
Gosh.
And that's the only way mna I protect my peace. Ndivele ndilile ndihambe. Ndiqonde okay, xa ndilile ndiyazazi uba ndinomsindo. And ke ngoku andifuna uphendula nawe, mhlawumbi ndingaphendula ngento erongo.
Krwada.
Ekrwada iza kwenza uqonde nawe andisafuni niks ndidibanisa nosini. Yabo? Ndiqonde kwanam andingumntu ukrwada, andifuna uzenza umntu endingenguye.
Yeah.
Instead mandizililele ndihambe, yabo, and walk away.
Inkosi.
But I know ngomso xa ndihlile ndizawuya kuBianca. Bianca, you said 1, 2 and 3 andiyithandanga. Uyabo? Nawe please list izinto endizithethileyo okanye ndizenzileyo ongazithanda sihlale kakuhle sithethe mina nawe. Uyabo? Endaweni yoba ndihambe bendimane ndijamela ndiyo because if ndihambile ndabheka ngapha ndathi nawe sigqibele ngaloo mini kuzabuzwa hawu kutheni ungasathi noBianca ndithi Bianca what nami ndithethe izinto ezingezizo ke ngoku
Yeah,
ngoBianca
yeah.
ndibe ndingazanga kuye ndithethe naye yabo. I'm not good to explain, but I think I tried. Hey,
Yeah, it's right.
you get what I mean?
Bambile.
What is your version of protecting your peace?
Yeah. Mna, I'm a strong believer. Makabe lena. Because I feel
Yeah.
like the minute mna nawe sixoxela into obvious.
Yeah,
Ukuthi Bianca leli xoxa ayiyo.
yeah,
And finishing glad
And
ayiyo ayiphibe yona ngomso.
yeah.
Mna ke unfortunately I'm a very firm person. And also sometimes ndifuna siba ndikrwada. Bendiqala into eyiyo ndeseka.
Yeah.
The thing is kuma ndikhusele ilanto la mentality of
That's
if
true,
ayiyo
hey.
namhlanje.
Ayizuba yona ngomso, yeah.
So if mzekelo umna nawe I feel like okay you know what Bianca lesicela yena nawe ayiyo ngizovala umlomo wami when I'm a happy person sisathatha nawe siyagrand sithe ngenye into is fine
Okay.
but the minute sixoxela nawe siphinde xabane but
No. I mean, sometimes it's important ba uqale uthethe naye.
No, mna ingxaki
It's
ne.
very
I don't care
important
about
because
the
andiyithandi nalanto.
In a way, nam ndiyamva uJack ne.
Silwile uphila uzenze grand nam. Hayi.
No,
andenzi
ingxaki
grand
ne-
ngawo if you have if you have a problem
Andizenzi, that's the thing, andizenzi.
Nditsho kaloku. You can't just be grand nje uqone. Silwile zona sakutshana.
Grand namhlanje.
But I get you.
Mna ngoku.
Sino-
I'm not there.
Guys, cousin wami ngoku.
Kaloku mna
Yabona
John,
yena nibhetele nina nithi ngengomso ni grand. Yena ufuna ba grand nawe ngoku.
mna that's the thing.
No,
If-
man.
Mamela, Jonga, nditsho kuwe. I fought with a person ne.
Yeah.
I fought with people. But the fighter with people nje.
Yeah.
Aba ndilwa nabo kwabona. They understood me there and then. But
Yeah.
why am I upset?
Yeah.
There's a person ke ngoku ndiqonde bro you should have got it kwangoku yaba. I was not really upset. I was
Yeah.
pissed off at the fact that aqoba kwathini kwamna ndagqitha. But
Yena
you
wayibamba
being you,
laa nto.
and ke abantu abafani.
Okay.
I have to understand that people aren't
Yeah.
the same.
Yeah.
When uthatha ixesha lakho process izinto,
Yeah.
now I take my time. And I can't expect you kuba mna ndi-grand ngoku nawe uzaba grand ngoku.
Yeah.
That would be selfish of me now.
Okay.
Uyebo? So I'm like, bro, we good. And ba ukho grand uzandixelela ngomso ba you know fine.
Yeah.
You know? And then we'll fix it there and there.
Yeah.
Me, my version of protecting my peace is shifting. Ndikiyeke space ube grand undixelele xo grand. Yeah, but no, I really want to see your face now.
Yeah.
Because there's people, there could be a situation that I'm like, ndifuna ukubona.
Yeah.
Ndifuna uthetha nawe. But when you're not ready to face me yet. Yeah, bo. So
Yeah,
I
I
have to
get
think
you.
about that. The next thing uzandichithela ngepo, ndinga
I
understand.
beg.
Yeah, bo.
Yeah.
Ndithi hayi bo, usinavuka undichithele ngepo. Hayi akho right uthetha nawe kaloku. Uyothini wena apha benixabeni izolo. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, bo. And guys, to my future friends or people that I will be acquainted with, as abantu understand, but I suck in conversations. Bayayazi, I don't talk to them unless we have to talk on social media. Only person I talk to is my specific other, my significant other.
Yeah, well.
You know,
Hi.
and don't catch feelings about Bianca Teti nam. So andiyani uba namhlanje ugrand.
Yeah.
My friends know that in the grand. Ndisekhaya, ndisafe, ndityile. Yebo.
Ukutya ngenaphi?
Bawutyanga.
Noba utyanga usele right cha.
okay. I know you'll deliver.
Nantsoke. Uthomi yami nditexta only if Miss B into thile yenziwe. Ndithi yada okanye nzayenza. That's the only time you can go
Yeah.
through my WhatsApp. The only time ndifuna udibana nalo phuma. Okay, sure.
Sekoneni.
Asithethi.
Hayi nama ndithanda uthethe
And
kakhulu
I
efowunini.
don't use
Hayi.
social
Now
media.
okay now sorry.
Okay.
But now I want to get deep with the topic yakho. When it comes to your relationships, how do you guys actually survive?
In
When it
terms
comes
of
to Linda yakho about
Argument.
keeping your peace, yes, argument.
Yo. Oh my god.
oh my god, as someone
Wow.
who argues a lot with their specific other.
Hey, when you should answer first.
No.
And that's
Apart from that, okay.
I wish
Okay,
so
qala
much.
mna ne.
yes.
Into endenza ne-este.
Within the next month.
Esther kuba wrong.
No, into endenza like ndilahle msinyane ke manditsho ke.
Oh wow.
Oh sure.
Oh,
It's because ndandingathethi.
Yeah.
Yabo, bendibhotlisha izinto kakhulu. But apho ndiqabhuke khona. Ndiqabhuke phambi mangathi bendilahle ibindima belahla.
Okay.
Ndiqabhuke ndiqonde you know what? Kudala nyamezele.
Yeah.
Ndiqonde kudala ndiqokelela andisathethele zona ke ngoku ndithethela le ikhoyo ke ngoku.
Ekaloku but eziyazi nazo zizawuthi
Silapha.
gqiba wenza yini ba wathi
Yeah, man.
Ndiqonde
You know what? Man, mayiseyeka le nto.
zilapha ngoku.
And ndakhe ndandixela kwenye episode ba okay umuntu endandikhe ndanaye wayengandiniki ichance yoba ndizexpresse yabo like yena uba ulwile nami funeke ndimamele yena uright yena mna ndirongo mna whatever ndizabe ndiyithethe uzawujika zenza i-victim so ndawela nayo laa nto to the next person ndaphela yabo.
Yeah.
That's what our friend was going through, Clan relationship, same thing.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, same thing. The guy was never wrong. We
So-
are wrong, even though the guy lacks communication.
But now I Shem,
Effort and stuff.
no address issue but okay I don't like into ethile now please tell me into ongayithandiyo and then we fix it. That's just like that.
Yeah, our problem, I realized in terms of arguing,
Yes.
same, I bottle. Ne?
Yeah,
I used to bottle,
yeah.
thinking that, okay, no man. Izaba ngathi ndinesikhwele okanye
Yeah.
ndiyakhweleta kakudimani kayizaweza uba ngathi ndinochuku.
Yeah.
So ndiqonde mandiyeke igqithe. But the problem we had, it always came up when we were drinking.
Yeah.
So now I have a loose tongue.
No.
He also has a loose tongue.
Yes.
Now that's why I'm like, bro, listen
drama.
to me. You don't understand. Naye.
Listen to me. You don't understand now, eh?
Yeah, but I'm like, fuck you. Nomnye is like, fuck you.
Oh my God.
And then we fix it in the morning. But no, brah. Irongo le wesiyenzileyo. And
You know-
ke ngoku endicacisayo,
Do you know,
we always did it in front of our friends, and I hated that. And I'm sorry to my
And
friends.
yes,
That's fine.
There's Pazam.
It's
And
fine.
I'm sorry to my friends. guys.
It's
I'm
okay
I'm so
now.
Sorry, guys. I'm so sorry, guys.
It's
I'm
fine.
really sorry.
You know,
I feel like we
bakhona,
ruined most of
you
the
know,
time.
bakhona abantu ne. Baxaba netomi, you know. Fuck you. Fuck you too. I'm gonna kill you. I'm gonna kill you too, you know.
Yeah.
And then pity, love it daffy.
Kwangoku.
Singenile thina lanto ba atakubethunya kusister wa. Ubani wena nomnye katakubethunya kuphetha. You see? Pity aba bantu. Kahagwana kuyaphuzwa.
Kwalapha.
Kwangoku esinawo.
We had time. But in a way, Ngoku, I feel like we approached a more healthier way of solving our problems.
Yeah.
But no, man. Itsho ngoku.
Ba ize.
Exactly. Ndandalo kumjoyala mna and I feel like ungiqala kakhulu.
Hayi nawo uzobawesi. Hayi uzobawesi girl.
Uthixo
No.
mkhulu.
Kanti ngamele i-opinion
How
yakhe
do
ke
you
sana.
fix your arguments and relations? How do you protect your peace?
Uzamiyeka obe aqumbe buyaqumba.
Hayi Shem.
Zakonke.
Hayi Shem mntana abantu mna adabiyeka.
Zakonke.
Ngoba yena uthi sayideba live Rausch. It's fine.
Yo, amen.
Makabe lafuna uba yiyo.
Can't even associate.
Oh.
Usivezile.
Oh. But I
Usivezile.
feel like it's a term that I like to use.
Yeah, ngamantombazana.
Hayi
When
Shem.
umuntu oyintombazana
Phetha
angakwazi
kakade.
ukucontrola do you get
Awazi
me?
uzibhala.
Mina personally I feel like I live
In
and
the
believe
moment.
in that saying of umuntu makabe into befuna ukuba yiyo.
Guys,
Yeah.
And nami bayile funa uba yiyo.
Exactly.
But I'm
Amiyeka
happy
thoma qumba
ngoku, man.
qabhukini.
It's fine but I'm
Uyamiyeka
happy ngoku.
qumba qabhuki.
Ah,
Aphinda be right.
I don't do izinto ezifana mina. Mina yo I love mina.
Nah.
Yo I love.
You love. Abantu mana. Amen. Okay.
I love.
Next.
It depends.
But mna ndiyamkholelwa Shem because I've seen him in relationships.
Yena ndiyabona umbona mina ujeke kwi relationship like
Ndiyambona
ndimbone ba
mna.
oh
And
dog
remember that
yakhe la ye 8 months
ikhona laa ntombazana
yakhe la
yakhozwa iloto and uyazazi
Woo!
wazimoshe
Woo! Zobetha wena
uyovrawusha.
Zobetha
No, I
wena
feel like I love. I'm a lover. I've said this before. And
You're a lover.
I'm
I'm a lover, not a fighter.
I'm a lover, not
Lover.
a fighter. And also, I don't argue it too much. I'm
Yeah.
a nice guy.
And
I
you
don't
tell
argue
on.
too much. The minute when I was in the Indo that I do not like, man.
Buyumva cho.
Just be yourself. But yeah, but I'll be myself.
Do your day and I'll
The
do my
streets
day.
are waiting for me.
Hey,
They are
what?
calling my name.
Anytime is
Kapindi, kapindi,
shit
kapindi.
time.
Streets are
And the
waiting.
pit.
Told me to
They are
bet
calling my
it.
name.
Wow.
And
But,
I'm there because it's my home.
Yeah, I didn't say it's my home kid.
Oh.
But I feel like also it's a matter of reciprocating.
Yeah.
What you do to me, I will do to you.
Oh,
Anytime. But 2 times njengoza kubonisa about when I
Ndizakubonisa
like
ku-
laa
ku-
nto.
ku- ku- kuqala
No,
likacoach.
andiyeke. I feel like abanye
Yo.
bazobamba, but I feel like ndiyayithanda laa nto
Ndiyayithanda
of
laa
umuntu wathinga ukuthi uba yena uwinile. Kanti
Uye
no,
nguwin.
I am the master of the game. I
Sure.
know what you're doing.
Checkmate.
Checkmate. Otherwise, also, I feel like his dreams are taking over the space, the internet.
Yeah, it's always also Nwabile.
Always the Sonabile. And shout out to Inkosi Mandebele. And also we've seen,
Tanda.
Yeah.
Tanda nyani.
also we've seen Ubase. Artistic
Ubase.
actually
Kayizini, yabona
making
asoze
his mark in the
ndiqole.
entertainment
Got
industry.
10 seconds endinga. Ndiyabona umbona ubase bethu nani. Ngamntu wonke. Kwakuthiwa lapha applause and I wasn't there.
Kwakuthiwa ongekho?
No.
Kwakuthiwa ungamboni Base?
Why can't I 31st?
Why can't-
Qawangekho.
Why you get that first?
Hayi besahleli phi?
Oh, sonke oh, sorry.
Yeah.
Jen.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Sorry.
So,
He might be a guest. Cause considerish.
Yeah.
Oh, ine?
But I feel like
Ungala.
I'm very proud of the artists, and also and not to forget that Marvin Bank did show up to Ilenduka to a concert. Streams Kasonabile.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, but
is one
it
discourse.
is actually
Stand-
weird.
Stand-
but
Bra.
okay.
Yabona yena no verso.
Ndithi kuta
Ba-
I remember
ba-
nsithi kuta ngeChristmas ba ta aku muffin uta bulisa chomitoyika uta bulisa uyamthanda baboyika na kuta muffin yo ndajonqela I said up is high ngithe cala ngoba and I was like yes maselekile Joe damn
Yeah,
yeah
send the rappers.
A lot.
Why piku?
Hey, I can go. Ivan.
Asenville.
Yeah, I love it.
I'll comment.
no yeah but yeah Yeah.
Kutheni ungabi ne rap?
I can see.
why nifuna bene rap
Abe nomuntu ose studio 24/7.
ndiyohlala e-studio mna xa record ayo Messi baby hayi
I feel like the only disadvantage with the rappers ukwenza ingoma about you.
Intombi yakhe.
I'm in love with Mercy.
Unfortunately enough.
Tobi athi ayazi.
Eva, I'm in love with Mercy
Please,
the dark skin baby come on but
Since you but Phumile was a score.
kanele
Sami samazinyo into.
No.
why Tommy nje kayi wanje
Ndingathini?
buyele kwigame
Hayi shem.
Uzawurapha kanto ngoba uMC noma utisha.
ndandikela ngu-MC you know ebusu you know abheke manje wangezindawo isi
Don't
Yeah,
break, man.
mama.
I don't do that.
but I know ingoma zakho honestly but it's called up yeah
Yeah. Ngoma zam.
atsho baba nomona abantu sifuna ndibephama sifuna ndikhumbuze ngento ayithethwa ngenye irapper
No, man.
Yebo ngibona.
Yeah, but
But na nathethani on air. I don't mind
Nas-
calling.
since like okay, since
So okay guys, I've been meaning to ask ne
yes.
as in 2K. Ne. And then I was delete 2K guys. And suddenly call into 1990. And go and
Yeah.
delete 2K. So ndifuna uyibuza ne from past generations until our generation. Kukho abantu who have that culture or that concept yoba I have to find someone before the age of
Yeah.
yabo. That pressure to have umtu.
yeah
Like in a way I don't think this akambile way because in a way I do feel like I found that person and kosho and it you because ngavuka ngomso lam that and deadlocked so Nina, how have you been able to deal with that pressure of finding someone okanye have you ever felt like pressure but, oh shit hey usisibhima no grand man no bani yabo anyway bayazi bantwana naba
yeah
but grand I wish to have that
Yeah.
yabo and then you go through those lengths of finding lamtu
lamtu
whereas akakafiki kuwe senza njani ke ngoku kula situation senza njani tata Sesiqala apha kulo
masiqala kusena.
Why me?
Okay.
Why me?
Kaloku
siqala ngu
Ayisho
womdala
na-
siswethu usomdala
utshilo
Wow.
kum.
uthe umdala le
Well, I so and okokuqala and feel pressure.
okay
Yeah, if ixesha lemali kafiki loba mandijole nomuntu right alidina likafiki. You know.
so usajola nje usabamba i-peace job dad
I can't say that.
Utshilo is enough.
so
Okay,
uyajola
continue.
I
Qhuba, tata.
know. Hayi man nina
are you
wayinibuza ngami ngo.
are you active in your relationships and stuff?
Khame
Do you have relationships?
masingabuzi. Sangibuza guys. It's a situationship though.
Okay, situationship.
Yeah.
Okay.
Situationship.
Yeah.
Where we act like we are in a relationship, but there's no label. Bambi.
Yeah.
Mhm.
Yeah. It's
So,
like that.
so you haven't felt the pressure, but okay, damn.
Yeah. My yapi yakhona sizobona ngoko mina.
We'll cross that bridge when we get to it. Aye, thank you. Ndiyafuna nomakazi bethu basimama. Because you can never know ba i-advice ifuma komphi.
Yeah.
Udinga intanga yakho ikuxelela inyani kanti.
No, nansi phuma.
Funeka kwipikinini.
Khona le nto uza nayo but it's fine.
Yeah.
Mamele bhuti wam. Ndimamele bhuti wam.
The question again.
The question is, Chomi, have you succumbed to the pressure of having someone like that soulmate, that someone?
Okay, do you know, as a person that is in my position in life,
Yeah.
that is always busy and stuff.
Ndimamele.
Yes, and that is always busy and stuff.
Yeah.
Being single for a very long time, I feel like,
Yeah. Long time. Damn.
not
Your relationship.
not a very not for a very long time, but being single for a while, for umzekelo, I've read something that that makes you think when you feel like a relationship it's a responsibility.
Oh,
And also it makes you being unable of taking care of that
that
relationship.
specific other.
Yes, that is my problem currently.
Okay.
Not currently. I'm very happy. Not currently. So yeah, that is my problem of feeling good in a relationship. You know what? If we're not here, not
What's umzekelo ngami? Okay.
I come to college so like right now.
Asambe.
See no? Right now.
Hayi.
Ndimamele na.
Hayi. Khuluma nami. Ngimamele.
Prior to bandifika khabe mamele if enye ntombi yam.
Yava.
Okay.
Yava.
Masambe tata.
No, I'm not giving an example. I'm saying I come to call you for Usino right now.
Ukhona?
In just space of school, you see, no.
Okay, Cho.
I think we got corner. We don't know.
Ngava ndula ndimamele like kuthene today's explainer.
Can't imagine you going your reaction.
Ndimamele ndithule.
Wena into endiyaziyo ndodwa Cho.
Yeah, bo. So
Bhuti, offended.
I'm from offended the booty or whatever.
Bhuti.
Do you get me? Okay, so now I feel like
Masambe.
now I feel like now go see no
Yeah.
it's a responsibility. I have to take care of Sino. I have to consider feelings like
Yeah.
but that is a responsibility.
That's a bit yeah.
It's a bit especially when I'm used to take care of my feelings and actually think about me and just riding along waves is in the college.
And yes, I'm just like xa uqhele uwave.
Yeah.
When you're already alone, I
Yeah.
can understand into ba ukukhaterishele feelings zomnye umuntu some other time can also
hard.
feel like uqonde brand qhele ukuthi
Qhele uhlalela
qhele
man.
uzihlalela
Alulala ngexesha
space,
eliphuma,
yeah.
yakho umbuzayo.
Noba
Yebo.
ndireport noba okwenza ba offline.
Yebo.
Okay,
So
ngizothini?
until you feel ready for that type of, it's not even responsibility, but that type of commitment,
Yeah.
it takes time and it takes a readiness yakho.
Yeah.
Yebo. Leno ndichoyo. Ndiyafuna manje uninike advice.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ndiyafuna wena unika wena. Afuna myeke lo.
Okay.
Yeah,
Man ready for.
Ndiyayazi situation yake lo. Ukhethe ukuthi ngajoli ngamabomu.
Okay.
Bakajoli
Ah,
andinazi.
No, it's fine. I'm ready. The advice and deal.
Andilabelisha into.
Yes, don't label anything.
I-relationship advice for mna nawe.
Yeah.
Yayazi. Anxiety zakubandisa tata.
Hey!
Don't think about it too much.
Yay! But ndikhulile, you know?
Okay.
Thomi ndikhulile.
Okay.
I think ndikumamele, you know?
Anxiety zakubandisa tata.
Pholile.
Sharp. Singekayi kakhulu siyabuya Siphumile relationship.
Yes.
Inyanga yam.
Iman. Oh, it's fine. No,
Inyanga
next
yam.
time. I save it for next time.
Inyanga yam.
Yeah.
Cala nje hore kaloku. Inyanga
Okay,
yam.
Right, but I can't bet.
What do you mean kuheli?
Ikabethi birthday.
Inyanga yam.
So
Kanti
hooray
nje
every
birthday
time
ya-
sishoot ke ngoku until your birthday.
Yes.
Oh, hayi hooray
Because you are
Bianca.
actually fucking shooting before my birthday.
Hooray Bianca.
25, you are here. We are shooting here before my birthday on a Wednesday. My birthday is on a Thursday. Yes.
Ngiyangena.
But hooray
And
kaloku.
sonwabile.
Hooray Mos.
Hooray.
Hooray. But also I feel like it's
Mago.
not to shine out of your birthday yakho ne.
So
But
mikona
it's-
ndibalekileyo kwebirthday yam. Ingxaki ndiya up.
Okay.
Nyanga yam ne.
Yeah.
Siyaphi cho?
Yeah.
Siyakwamo.
Siyakwamo.
Siyakwamoko ngo-April not ngenyanga not ngongoma.
Okusalayo.
But kaloku it's the same
Nakupheleni.
week cho homi.
Yeah.
Same
Kusalayo.
week. Because ngala Friday, nge-Saturday we are there.
Yeah.
We are celebrating who? This guy.
Okay.
The podcast.
Ne podcast.
Wow.
You know,
Because I feel like
because-
siqaba unyaka the podcast much.
It's turning one.
Wow.
One.
And also I feel like things
Like a
have
podcast
changed.
CFC
sitting
taking
no comedy is turning 1.
No
Dlala.
Hayi, big up.
Let's see igama thomntanakho you know.
Tika umntana
Because
kwakho.
wow.
Nguculture ne.
Culture.
Culture is
Asizobanjwa
turning
nguQuavo ke ngoku. Hayi nguculture.
Hey. Abek.
Ekwazi
But I saw-
convo ke igama like.
But also I feel like since we're celebrating a birthday for Culture Convo podcast, we're going
Yebo.
to do
10 days.
10 days of subscribing.
Yes.
Actually,
10 days of
whereby we
subscription,
get
guys.
abantu to subscribe for 10 days kamoko.
Emva koko.
Hayi sana.
Uyamgqiba. Uyamgqiba. Uyamgqiba.
Thini?
Uyamgqiba producer yeke tata. Kwaye but yona ndibalulekileyo guys. Yona ndibalulekileyo ne.
Oh, let's talk. Moko.
Ah, bro,
Yeah.
again.
Moshile tata because you're putting pressure.
Because and yes, you know.
How to focus.
But also, okay, it's fine.
It's fine. No, let's carry
Because
on.
but anyway, we are just doing 10 days of
Of
subscription. Whereby we get abantu to subscribe to Culture Cover podcast. I've
Yeah.
seen abantu, they like
Uh-uh.
other clips, they like the Facebook thingy, they like the TikTok
And
thingy.
they do. We see how you watch our reels.
Our
Leave
reels,
us,
guys.
because khona ilena besisithi hayi xaba niyithandile leka
Leka
Jeke
Jeke
Chat.
Leyo mthatho, yeah.
Siyanibona guys. So if you subscribe within those 10 days of subscriptions,
Yeah.
you get to go with us. You get to give away mhlawumbi.
Yeah.
Press toast bone sishuta live all hlobo. Now we're like shooting outside mhlawumbi sibona ke sishuta phi kwamoko.
Kwamoko.
And again, this trip is inclusive of what you will eat. No, exclusive of what you will eat. Na pina na don.
Yeah.
Tina, we're only covering the right ukuya and the
Nobuya.
right bag.
Oh boy, yeah.
Ungalahleki.
Ungalahleki.
Wewe ungenza.
Kuthiwa ungene
Kuzoshiya
ungene
kwaboko.
podcasters. Utsho kwabo.
Uyakuthola?
Kuthiwa mvezezi. Niyamazi.
Uyafaka engxakini. But also I feel like it's a matter of subscribers and
Yes.
also if viewers connecting with us, and also guys do not forget to actually play
Our Gamey Wednesdays.
Yeah, bro.
Because that's easy does it jogisayo kuthi le. But okay.
Okay.
You're
Okay.
really
Yeah.
watching.
Uthini,
Oh, you are
Anton?
really interacting with us.
with us.
Benchilo, on our last episode, it's top fans, rising fans, subscribers,
Yeah.
the commenters.
Yeah.
We are looking through everything as long as you engage with our content.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's
Oh, yeah.
that's pretty much it.
Yeah, and also just I feel like just stay tuned to this channel because we are about to shake the world. We are about to change different things.
This shows
Namhlanje we are outside. Next week some bazosibona phi.
Bazosibona
Njalo
shop.
njalo. Do you
You
get
never
me?
know.
So just make sure
Alright, let's
ukuthi
go shoot the
wena
shop.
Hayi singabukela ngumuntu oke shop. Hayi.
namaparapara ngasirop.
Asoze
But,
Tom
also-
bangayithanda nabayithanda Tom.
Hey, you're always
Oh,
advocating for maparapara. Hey. Yeah, but it's fine.
Sasirote,
But
man.
guys, make
Dikon.
sure to actually like follow us on all the platforms at Culture Convo Podcast on Facebook, and Instagram, and also
TikTok.
Culture Convo Corner on TikTok.
Yeah.
Do you get me? And also subscribe to YouTube.
Please.
Yeah.
Subscribe to YouTube. It's our first time
We are
being
sitting
outside.
on we are
Yeah.
sitting on 375
Yes,
subscribers.
25 subscribers. So
Siyabulela.
let's get to 400 subscribers,
No,
guys.
375. Siyanibona.
Let's get to 400 by the end of the month.
Siyanicela.
Because-
Siyanicela, and also just Thank you so much to our sponsors.
Nature Plan Water, Baza Photography,
Yeah.
Tebe Senjoli. Now today we are at the Imbondongwe residence.
Of course.
Residence.
Yeah.
And thank you to Kaya Ulendo Forum House,
Kaya Kulu
which is
brand.
the Kaya Kulu brand and the
Privileged lifestyle.
Privileged Lifestyle.
Yeah.
Even though,
nice,
nice.
yeah.
Jackway Entertainment.
Oh,
Jackway Entertainment and Alsa Media, of course, for producing and editing all our stuff. Siyabulela Kuni. Nonke.
Yeah, so
Love
make
ya.
sure ukuthi uyisahlangana la every Sunday
Sunday.
at 6 p.m. Make sure to subscribe and like
And comment.
and
Comment,
not forget to pray,
Believe and live.
Tango is thank you.
Sanibona.
Sanborn.
Next Wednesday. You're going to Wednesday.
Ngizawuthula mna because